Good Friday morning, everyone. It's 6:24 a.m. We've made it to the end of the work week, and things are pretty quiet on the radar. We are going to leave in a very slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm for this afternoon. And meanwhile, to the northeast, here is southeast Texas. Things are looking quieter right now for most of the region, but they're still dealing with serious flooding issues from Houston to Beaumont. You still see the rain bands from Imelda and its remnants moving through Louisiana and still parts of southeast Texas and East Texas. Keep in mind, if you have travel plans to this region, there are a lot of flooded roads, and I-10 still closed between Beaumont and Winnie because of the flooding. The green indicates flash flood watch is still in effect for Beaumont and the Houston area until at least 7 o'clock this evening. Back home in the valley, temperatures are currently in the upper 70s and lower 80s. Right now, 78 degrees in Harlingen, 77 in Edinburgh, and 79 in Brownsville. Your day planner forecast, it is once again very warm and breezy and humid with highs in the mid-90s. We'll start off around 80 degrees at 8 a.m., 91 at noon, maybe a stray shower, 92 at 5 o'clock this afternoon. And because it's Friday, that means there are a lot of high school games tonight. Most games should be dry. We cannot rule out a very slight chance of a stray shower early on this evening, so we'll say it's mainly dry at kickoff with a temperature of 88 degrees. By the end of the game, the temperature should be in the lower 80s. So here's Future Track. The red L indicates what's left of Imelda. That's going to move off to the north through North Texas. And meanwhile, the Big Blue H, big ridge of high pressure builds back into our region, so it's just going to be very warm for this weekend in the valley with high temperatures in the mid-90s. We'll leave in just a 20% chance of a spotty shower or thunderstorm for this weekend. For Monday and Tuesday, thanks to a little disturbance coming in, we'll keep in that slight chance for a shower or thunderstorm, but the highs stay in the mid-90s next week. So mainly dry today, only about a 10% chance of a shower, then a 20% chance of rain for Saturday and for Sunday. On the water, small craft should use caution today. We'll have winds out of the southeast at 10 to 20 knots. The bay waters are choppy and the seas 3 to 6 feet. Here's your first 4 and 5 AccuWeather forecast. Partly cloudy and breezy with highs in the mid-90s. And then for your Friday night, partly cloudy and breezy early with lows in the upper 70s, but the highs remain in the mid-90s. Saturday and Sunday, along with a 20% chance of rain. The calendar says fall on Monday, but it's not going to feel like fall as the highs stay in the mid-90s. That is your first 4 and 5 forecast. Back to you, Michael.